The F-35, an American family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather, stealth, multi-role combat aircraft designed to dominate the skies and strike with unmatched precision. But what makes the F-35 so unique? Why has it become one of the most talked-about fighters in military history? Let's take a closer look at what makes the F-35 a game-changer in modern warfare. First, let's talk about the F-35 family. The aircraft was built to meet the needs of multiple branches of the U.S. military. From the U.S. Air Force to the Navy and Marines, the F-35 was designed to be versatile, meeting the demands of aerial combat, bombing ground targets, close air support, and expeditionary warfare. Conceived in the mid-1990s by the Clinton administration, the Joint Strike Fighter program aimed to create a multi-role aircraft that could handle diverse missions for the U.S. and its allies. The F-35 would replace older Cold War-era aircraft while integrating cutting-edge stealth and sensor fusion technology. Let's break down the F-35's design. Built by Lockheed Martin, the first flight took place on December 15, 2006. The F-35 comes in three main variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B for short takeoff and vertical landing, and the F-35C, which is carrier-based for the Navy. The F-35B entered service in July 2015, the F-35A followed in August 2016, and the F-35C completed its service entry in February 2019, measuring 51.4 feet long, with a wingspan of 35 feet and standing 14.4 feet high. The F-35 has a sleek aerodynamic design to reduce radar detection. Its wing box section integrates the wing and fuselage into one unit, and the swept wing angles and radar-absorbing materials make this aircraft nearly invisible to enemy radar. The F-35B, designed for the U.S. Marines, features a lift fan for short takeoff and vertical landing, giving it remarkable flexibility for operations in expeditionary warfare. Meanwhile, the F-35C is tailored for carrier operations, with stronger landing gear, larger wings for low-speed approaches, and a tailhook for arrested landings on aircraft carriers. But the F-35 isn't just about size and versatility. It's about the cutting-edge technology that makes it a true multi-role aircraft. The F-35's avionics and sensor fusion provide the pilot with unrivaled situational awareness. The aircraft is equipped with an active electronically scanned array radar, distributed aperture system, and electro-optical targeting system, all working together to give the pilot a complete picture of the battlefield. The distributed aperture system sends high-resolution infrared imagery to the pilot's helmet, giving them the ability to see through the aircraft itself. This is a major leap forward in pilot visibility and battlefield awareness. When it comes to strike capabilities, the F-35 can carry more than 18,000 pounds of munitions, either internally in stealth mode or externally in permissible environments. The internal weapon bays carry up to 2,500 pounds of ordnance, including air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and small-diameter bombs. Externally, the F-35 can carry additional munitions such as AMRAAMs, JDAMs, and paveway bombs, providing the aircraft with the ability to strike targets both in the air and on the ground with incredible accuracy. The F-35A variant is equipped with a 25mm rotary cannon with a 182-round capacity. However, the F-35B and F-35C rely on the Terma-AS multi-position pod, carrying the GAU-22A gun with 220 rounds of ammunition, which provides superior firepower in close combat situations.